In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Clickup with Slack in just 5 minutes. This integration will streamline your workflow, allowing you to manage tasks more efficiently by receiving Clickup notifications directly in Slack. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process to get you all set up. First things first, we're going to head over to Clickup, which is known as the Everything app for work. If you haven't already, open your web browser and navigate to Clickup's homepage. This is where you'll perform most of the setup. It's important to remember that having easy access to your workspace tools is a huge productivity booster, so having this integration will enhance your multitasking abilities significantly. Now that you're on the Clickup homepage, go ahead and log in. You'll need to enter your email address. Make sure this is the email associated with your Clickup account. After typing in your email, proceed by entering your password. Double check your password's accuracy to avoid any access issues. Once both these fields are correctly filled out, click on the Login button. This will take you to your Clickup workspace where you can start the integration process. Once logged in, you'll begin by heading to the Docs home in your workspace. This is often viewed as the central hub for your documents in Clickup and will play a role in setting up integrations and other workspace options. Navigating around the workspace might be something you're super familiar with, or you might still be learning your way around. Either way, take a moment here to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's new to you. From the Docs home, direct your attention to your profile. Clicking on your profile is like opening a control panel where you'll have access to various settings and customization options. It's a good habit to periodically check your profile settings to ensure everything is up to date and personalized to your liking. When clicking on profile, you'll want to then proceed to the settings page. The settings menu in Clickup is incredibly comprehensive, housing all sorts of options to tailor Clickup to your liking. However, our focus today is specifically on integrating with Slack. Within settings, you'll find the App Center. This is essentially the place where Clickup lets you manage and add integrations with other software and tools you use daily. Inside the App Center, look for Slack among the list of available apps. These apps and integrations are aimed at elevating your productivity and ensuring a smooth transition between different tools you use. So when you find Slack, it's time to connect Clickup to your Slack workspace. Clicking on Slack will bring up the option to connect. The connect button is your gateway to bringing Clickup tasks and updates into your Slack channels seamlessly. When you click on connect, ensure that you have the necessary permissions in Slack to add integrations, as sometimes workspace settings need admin approval for changes. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully integrated Clickup with Slack. This means you're now equipped to receive updates and notifications from Clickup directly in Slack, helping you and your team stay on top of projects and tasks more effectively. This integration is incredibly beneficial for anyone who wants to reduce the clutter of constantly switching between applications and focus on working smarter, not harder. Having your Clickup alerts arrive in Slack means you can address tasks, comments, and updates all while maintaining the rhythm of your ongoing work conversations. Remember, the key to maximizing your productivity is choosing tools and integrations that work seamlessly together, just like Clickup and Slack. Don't hesitate to explore additional settings or custom notifications within both platforms to tweak the experience further to your needs. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this demonstration helpful, consider sharing it with your colleagues or friends who might also benefit from integrating these two powerful tools. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials, and happy working!